Hey everybody, I would like to invite you to a very special festival, the Pranic Festival, 15th to 18th of August in Romania. I will also talk there about the New World. What is the New World exactly? And why do a lot of people do not know anything about it? We all hope that things will change. We all want things to change, but we don't know exactly how to do it. That will be my topic. And what's very important is the relationship to prana. Prana is the purest energy that one can consume. I've done this for a long time and I can switch it on and off. And it's very, very important to use prana also for healing. What does it mean to use prana for healing? It means nothing else that you get in contact with the life force all around you, in you, everywhere. And when you connect to that life force and you bring that into your body and you direct it to certain places, it can heal, it can rejuvenate, and it can do much more, revitalize, detoxify, and so on and so on. But my topic this time is about the new world that is emerging right now. A new world we all want to live in, but we do not know how to get there. There's a huge bridge between the world we live in right now, where struggle and survival is key, to a new world, the golden timeline, where we all are united. We all are following the new sacred geometry of love, peace, and happiness. So if you're interested, I hope that you will join in Romania, 15th to 18th of August. All the best and see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.